You're watching Pure American Attitude Breathe, and if you've never felt 117 cubic inches of Milwaukee-Eight torque slam you into your seat at 4,000 RPM, strap in, because the 2026 Harley-Davidson Low Rider S is about to change what you think a cruiser can do. Let's talk about that stance first. The moment this machine rolls into frame, something happens, jaws drop. The blacked-out trim runs from tank to tail without apology. Red performance accents slash through the darkness like a signature. The 9-spoke cast aluminum radiate wheels sit low, wide, and mean. And then there's that color. Dark Billiard Gray. Not your average gray. This finish carries deep, warm brown undertones that shift under sunlight from charcoal to something almost tobacco-rich. It's sophisticated, aggressive, and unlike anything else sitting on a showroom floor. Harley also offers blood orange, white onyx pearl, aurora blue denim, and vivid black for riders with a different kind of bold in mind. Now, the heart of this beast. The Milwaukee-Eight 117 high-output V-twin. 117 cubic inches. 1,917 cc of air and oil-cooled Fury. Bore is 4.075 inches, stroke is 4.5 inches, and compression lands at 10.31. Fuel delivery runs through electronic sequential port fuel injection for razor-sharp throttle response at every RPM. The heavy breather intake with a washable synthetic element pulls in maximum airflow, while the performance tune 2 into-1 exhaust lets this motor sing the deep, guttural Harley note that no speaker on earth can replicate. Horsepower peaks at 5,000 RPM and torque hits hardest at 4,000. That fat mid-range pull is exactly what dominates American highways, twisties, and everything between. The chassis setup on the 2026 Low Rider S is built for riders who push. A 43mm inverted fork up front delivers precise feedback through fast sweepers and aggressive cornering. Out back, a hidden free piston coilover monoshock with hydraulic preload adjustment raises the rear, sharpens the lean angle, and keeps this bike planted when the road gets real. Braking comes from dual 300mm floating front discs gripped by 4-piston fixed calipers, stopping power that matches the go-fast hardware without compromise. 3 ride modes, road, rain, and sport, let you dial the Low Rider S into the conditions you're actually facing, not the conditions someone else planned for. Sport mode sharpens everything: throttle map, engine brake, and suspension response. Rain mode softens the edge when the skies open up. Road sits right in the middle for everyday canyon runs and open freeway pulls. Harley's Rider Safety Enhancements package, standard on every 2026 Low Rider S, brings ABS, traction control, drag torque slip control, tire pressure monitoring, and full cornering enhanced versions of each system. Cornering ABS and cornering TCS work lean angle specific, meaning the bike is actively protecting you even mid-corner. The 4-inch instrument display keeps your data clean and readable at speed. Full LED lighting, headlamp, taillight, turn signals, cuts through any conditions, day or night. Walk into your authorized Harley-Davidson dealer and the 2026 Low Rider S starts at $19,999 MSRP, plus an $895 destination charge. For what you're getting: Milwaukee-Eight 117 high output, full safety tech suite, inverted suspension, LED everything, and 3 ride modes. That's one of the most honest price tags in the performance cruiser segment. Harley backs it all with a 24-month unlimited mileage warranty. This is the machine built for riders who've outgrown ordinary. The 2026 Harley-Davidson Low Rider S doesn't ask permission, doesn't cut corners,